Good morning, namaste, all of you. Next point of the discussion is types of differential amplifiers. First one is double-ended input, double-ended output. See in the diagram, in the both the case of two transistors T1 and T2, input signal voltage V1 and V2 is applied. Input voltage V1 is applied to the transistor T1. Input voltage V2 is applied to the transistor T2. V01 is the output of first transistor T1. V02 is the output of second transistor T2. Plus VCC is connected to the collector through load resistances. Minus VEE is applied to the two emitters through emitter resistance RE as shown in the above figure. Friends, to want to remember, this is the first one, that is we are discussed already the type of, there are already we discussed differential amplifier which is having two inputs and two outputs. Whenever you are drawing this figure, you have to keep in mind you have to apply V1, V2. We have to show V01, V02. We have to show plus VCC minus VE. Okay? This is the double-ended input and double-ended output. To remember in the exam, it is very easy. Two inputs, two outputs, two transistors, plus VCC minus VE. Finish. Okay, next. Second type of differential amplifier is single-ended input and double-ended output. In this case, all things are same as shown in the first type. Only there is one difference between first type and this second type. You have to think on that first. You take your own time. In the first diagram, or first type of the differential amplifier, T1, T2, RC1, RC2, P01, P02, plus VCC minus V. Then what is the difference? Friends, you have answer? Whenever you are going to see this lecture online, you go, whenever I am explaining, you have to draw roughly the diagram. That is the first type of the differential amplifier. Then you can write second type, which is very single-ended input, double-ended output. First one is double-ended input, double-ended output. Here is single-ended input and double-ended output. That is, there is only one difference. Can you have answer? Yes. There is answer. What is that? Only one input V1 is applied to the transistor T1. And where we are applied input to the second transistor T2 is grounded. That is, there is a no input signal voltage to the transistor T2. All other things are same. So, how you are try to remember this first type and second type? First type is double input, double output. Second type is single input, double output. Whenever there is a single input, one of the input terminal is grounded as shown in this figure. I am going very slowly, my friends. This is because this is the base of the next point we are going to explain. The operational amplifier. This is because of differential amplifier is the basic building block of operational amplifier. So, once you understood what is the differential amplifier and what are the types of differential amplifier and how differential amplifier works is very important while explaining operational amplifier. So, my friends, this topic is very easy. But you should keep in mind that this paper is also very easy. But you have to seek sincerely, take down the points, and you can draw the diagram. Then there is no problem in the examination. So, in this way, we stop here this lecture. Thank you. Thank you very much.